C512 Automatic Calibration Guide. Install the fixture on the jig and clean the surface of the fixture to ensure that there is no dust or impurities left. Click Calib Prep, and the spindle will move to a position where the probe can be easily installed. Click Tool RG. The spindle clutch opens. Insert the top of the probe into the clutch, then click Tool RG again, and the probe is clutched. Insert one end of the signal cable into the probe interface on the back of the machine. Insert the Type-C plug on the other end of the signal cable into probe. Click Calib Axis.